Now, this is how you can make video stickers on the iPhone. Let me guide you through the process. And if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So when I show you my stickers, when I go to the messages and click the plus for stickers, actually, let me do it again. You're going to notice that I do have some video stickers, right? So let me just show it to you like that. And you can see, for example, this one at the bottom is actually moving, right? So it's technically like a video sticker. And the way you can create them is not really from a video, but from a live photo. So as you know, whenever you are capturing an image, you have the ability to decide if it's going to be captured as a normal picture or as a live photo. Right, and when you capture a live photo and there is enough movement in there, you can turn that into a moving sticker. So if you go to your gallery, you can go to the collections and kind of like see and browse the file types, the media types. And if you click on a live photos, you can try to see if you have some sort of photo where there is a lot of movement. For example, this one right there, I have a phone in my hand, which is kind of moving. And if I turn that into a sticker by holding down on it like that, you can see that it gets selected perfectly. It works well. And I actually turn it into a sticker. So I'm going to click on add as a sticker like that. And it is going to be added in here. It kind of has to load up a little bit. But you can see that it will then be hopefully a moving sticker. Right, so as you can see, this is a video sticker which I have in my stickers selection. So I can also kind of like add effect to it or whatever, but I think it looks good enough. And now I can paste it into the messages, for example, right? Or I can react to this thing with the sticker, right? So I can attach a sticker like that, and I can attach a moving sticker to a message like that, right? So as you can see, a nice little effect right there. Or I can, as I've shown you, I can decide to share it as a standalone one, and it's going to be a moving one. So the whole point is that you have to have a moving image in the live photo format, which you can then turn into this kind of like video looking one. So I hope that I was able to guide you through it. That's essentially everything I wanted to show. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll talk to you later in future uploads.